Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. This is our student Akshay. He got placed in a company. Now he will share experience about PySpiders.
Since I joined in the month of February 2024, so I got many experience from these skills and attended some more than 10 interviews and attended the courses like SQL, Python, Aptitude and Django, data analysis and data structures, Power BI. By these skills I got placed.
Okay. How was boot camp and mock interview very helpful?
So it was very good. So I could improve my communication skills and I could be in confidence. So ask their questions and so we could sort out some problems also. So we could, if there is any doubts, we could solve it together.
Okay. I wish him all the best for his